Alright. Sige, sige. Let's go back. Introduce yourself once again. Say, hi.
Hi.
Oh, very good.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait lang! Okay, sige. Sabihin mo. Hello po.
Hello po.
Hoy!
Walang lungga.
Okay, sige na, sige na. Alright, sige. Nandiyan si Mika. Sabihin mo, hello Mika.
Hello, Ika.
Very good.
Very good.
Hindi. Okay, sige. Nog, how old are you?
6.
Oh, 6. Who among you guys are 6 years old? Raise your hand. Ayun, meron.
Wow.
Anong gusto mo maging paglaki mo?
7.
7.
6, 7.
Ayun o.
Ika.
Ipapakita ka ng diversion. Okay, now, since we got new sets of friends here,
Nakapantalon pa.
yan. Okay, okay na. Sige, since we got... Ano ba na natin? Tutukan muna kayo.
Dapat si Muli na lang eh.
Yan. Okay, now, since we got new sets of friends here, Log, kailangan magpakita kayo ng good morals. Ikaw ba, nag-aaral ka na mabuti? Very good. How among you guys are studying hard? Raise your hands. Sino mga nag-aaral na mabuti dito? Taas ang kamay. Sige. Baba na yung kamay. Sige, Nog, ano ang favorite subject mo?
Recess.
Ano recess? Sige nga, kung recess, ano yung hilig mong kainin tuwing recess?
Burger.
Burger. Who among you guys loves burger? You love burger?
Si Maymay.
Wow. Angel's Burger.
Okay, sige na nga. Sige. You love Angel's Burger? You know Angel's Burger?
No daw.
Oo, yung Angel's Burger, unang kagat, wala na agad. Okay. Sige. Now, Nog. Since we get a new set of friends here, nag-aaral ka na mabuti? Kung nag-aaral ka na mabuti, magaling ka ba sa math?
Easy.
Easy daw no coaching please. Are you good in addition? He's good in addition. Nog, addition. 1 plus 1.
2.
Galing 2 plus 2.
4.
4 plus 4.
8.
Galing 8 plus 8. Galing 32, wala pa. 32.
61. Wala pa.
Okay, how old are you?
Narinig.